Hi, my name is Stephen Clark. I want to introduce myself as your salesperson and let you know that our production team has created a video specially for you. I hope you enjoy it.
Hi Anton, this 2017 Dodge Journey GT comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, power heated manual folding side mirrors, halogen headlamps, fog lamps, 19-inch all-wheel drive aluminum wheels, and a white exterior. Aside from your standard features such as remote start system, this vehicle includes steering wheel mounted audio controls with cruise control, an 8.4-inch touchscreen media center with AM/FM radio, Sirius satellite radio, Uconnect hands-free communication, Bluetooth connectivity, a rear backup camera, and GPS navigation. As well, Anton, the interior features premium stitched leather seating with power directional and lumbar adjust, heated seating and steering wheel, dual zone climate control, a powered sunroof, a second row DVD screen, and third row fold and go seating.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you here at South Trail Chrysler, Canada's largest Chrysler store. See you soon.